Now our next topic is to display room temperature by using LM35 temperature sensor. Okay, so here's my LM35 temperature sensor, and it has 3 pins. Pin number 1 I have connected to 5 volt. Pin number 2 I have connected to analog pin, which is the output of my LM35 temperature sensor, and pin number 3 I have connected to the ground. Alright, and this output, the LM35 output, is connected to A5 pin of my analog input. Alright, so here are some specifications of LM35 temperature sensor. Its lead count is 10 millivolt per degree centigrade. Okay, and it ranges to 0 to 150 degree centigrade. Alright, okay, now let's do its coding in LabVIEW. Okay, now go to block diagram. Here's my block diagram. Now go to Arduino library and search for Arduino initialization. Create your user resource for COM port. Okay, and draw your while loop and Arduino close. Okay, first of all you need to declare your pin. So go to set digital pin. Okay, Arduino resource and error in. And I have connected my LM35 to pin number 5 of my analog input. Okay, so its pin mode is input. So this is my input. Now LM35 gives you the analog output. Okay, so definitely we'll read analog pin. Okay, alright, which is pin number 5. Okay, so let's connect its Arduino resource and error in, and its voltage. Sorry. Okay, so here we'll get its voltage. Okay, now we want to display the temperature. Okay, now we want to display the temperature. So for that, go to numeric and select your thermometer. So increase its size also. Okay, just right click on and go to properties. Now first of all, display the digital values also. Change its scale to 0 to 150. Okay, and we want result in digital only in 3 digits. Okay, alright, also voltage in 3 digits. Okay, so now it's time to increase its size. Let me adjust it first. Let's increase it to 24. 24. Let's change its color to blue. Okay, so let's also increase its size to 24. So go to block diagram. Now here you will get only 0 to 5 values. Okay, so to convert that voltage into the temperature, to convert that voltage into degree centigrade, I'm using a formula that I'll tell you later. Okay, so I'm multiplying this voltage with constant 100. I'll explain you later why I have used 100. Okay, so it's displaying error. Oh sorry, I forgot to. Sorry. Here's my stop condition. Okay. 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 I'm connecting my Arduino. Right. Find your COM port. Here's my COM 3. Alright. Now hit run. Okay, so here is the current temperature, which is 34.3 degrees centigrade. Okay, so now why I have multiplied with 100. Alright, so let me explain you first. Okay, now the voltage we are getting from our temperature sensor is 0.34. Okay, 343, let's say 343 voltage. Okay, now I'll convert this voltage into millivoltage. 3443 means multiply by 1000 millivolt. That's okay. Okay, now I can write this value. So I multiply 100 multiply 10 millivolt. Okay, now it is the least count. It will give you degree centigrade. Alright, so 0.343 multiply 100, which gives you degree centigrade. Okay, if you multiply both these terms, then you will get 34.3 degree Celsius. Okay, so that's why we multiply our voltage with constant 100. Okay, okay. Now let's turn on LED. It's this LED which is connected to, I think, pin number 9, when my temperature rises from a particular condition. Okay,